time out. I should have known better. I was too far away and I ran right into that freaking, might have just popped it out. I don't know. Looks broke though. I don't know. We'll take it in, check it out. It's my first wreck, so I don't know much about it. Looks like I broke a shock. Maybe. No? I don't know. We'll have to get in there and see what we did. Anyway, first wreck. So live and learn, huh? Right? That's the way it's done, right? That's how we do it here. That's how we're gonna do it on Indy Jones FPV. Yep. That pole over there got me. Had to come right back home. Let's shut this bad boy off real quick. Where's that dude at? There it is. Okay. Hopefully we didn't mess anything else up. So first run, guys. Successful on breaking shit. Indy Jones FPV. Like and subscribe, guys.